Hey guys, Vulcan Trader here. Good morning. Do another market update. So, Bitcoin just ripped over the weekend, and it's hard to, I guess, anticipate this unless you just had the guts to. So, like if you saw, like if we just covered up this, if I had a, let's say if I just stuck this right here and you just covered up that right there, I mean, just see how bad that looks, and it looks like it's gonna test this the third time and break downwards, kind of like a bear flag with a flat base or something like that. And then I guess what matters the most is just kind of the fundamentals of the money printing that's happening, and it's hard for anything to go down more than one leg or 50%, whereas normally when something went up 1,000% in the past, sometimes you get more of a drop than that. We've had about a 50% drop, but anyway, I guess that's why it's good to have long-term holdings that you believe in and you hold through the crashes and whatnot. But like I still have maybe 2/3 of my total money in long-term actual crypto holdings, but still those had to hold down, through a drawdown of 64,000 to 28,000. But yeah, it looks like we might have a bottom in and a reversal here. It's not certain. I mean, nothing's certain ever, but there's maybe one more thing we need to look out for, but I'll show you. But yeah, it stinks because it's happened over the weekend, and it's my stock trading account, which I'm trying to still do crypto plays in, and I wasn't able to enter them in there. So I was planning on, like I said, once we broke the 50-day moving average, I'd enter some, and then I was thinking, well, once we break this lower high here, we'd make another higher high, which is what we got. Then I would enter maybe another more money, and then once we break this, it'll be the last bit, but I'll get to that in a bit. But anyway, as far as all the bullish signals here, why we've got a reversal and maybe have a bottom set. Well, yeah, this support level touched 3 times. We've got an outside bullish reversal or engulfing candle. So the outside of this candle is entirely outside of this one, and this is on the weekly chart, which means even more confirmation. Then as far as the daily chart, so you see we had a low here, we had a lower low, and then right here this is a higher low. This number is higher than that one, and then we didn't have any higher high set here because see this is a lower high. Well, we had a lower high here, then a higher high here, but then because this one broke this low and this low, that's doesn't really count anymore because you need a higher low at that point. So now we have a higher low, a higher high, and and the outside bullish reversal, and we're above, and we closed above the 50-day moving average. This green line here, we closed above it super solid, and I wish I could have. So yeah, my thoughts was either Bitcoin dropped down to 20,000, then I was going to enter really heavy there because I was in cash, but then if it broke the 50-day, I was going to put 33% of my money in. If it broke this higher high here at like 36.6 or whatever it is, then put 66% of my money or 2/3 of my money in, and then once it breaks this one, be 100%. But unfortunately, I had to put either you could. This is how I'd do it actually, but it just depends on if you able to be at the market at the open and the close. But at the open here, by 1/3, put 1/3 in here at 1/3 of your money in here, and then another, if we close above this right here, the 36,623, I guess is that, by that close to the end of the day, the last 30 minutes of the day, you put in your other 2/3 just because we kind of have both of those, and then hold the last 1/3, wait till we break 41,000 to see if it's more likely a true bottom and reversal. But I mean, nothing's for sure, and it could go up all the way to here and drop all the way back down, but I don't know, I'm kind of getting thinking maybe I just kind of hold this long term, and I might do some other money, a small amount of money I got as far as this is swing trading, and just leave the crypto stuff long term. But even this stuff. But anyway, that all being said, as far as positions, I'd take these, right? MSTR, GDLC, ETHE, OBTC, and BitW, I'd have them equally weighted. It kind of stinks because these are at kind of a premium now, so buy those at your own risk as far as the BitW, OBTC, ETHE, and GDLC. You might be buying them at I don't know, 15 to 20% premium to NAV, but if we've got a reversal, I think they'll fly and do something like this right here, because for example, like the NAV here, they were close to NAV here, and then they were probably above NAV even right here on these moves, and then they went even further. So you're it's buying right here, might be buying like in this neighborhood, if that makes any sense. Could be wrong, and it all reverses, and yeah, but that's my game plan at the moment, and going back in, like, yes, 66% invested by the end of the day here. If we hold up above here, and if it drops, then still have like 1/3 of my money to buy lower, maybe at 20,000 or something like that, and hopefully get a better average down here. So, but yeah, sorry I made a wrong call. Feel pretty stupid after saying to go to cash. I think it was around here when I said it, but yeah, the 15th, so at 32, and then we go down. It looked like I was right, and then it went to 29, and then reversed all the way back to 30 over the weekend. Really went up from 33 to almost hit 40 here at one point. But anyway, such is life and trading and investing. It's not easy, but yeah, like, subscribe, have a good day.